The washing machine propeller requires nuance to swirl it smooth. These are the cues we use to make our propellers slick. The base's arms are mostly straight for this duo. Everyone uses hand-to-hand grip, and the flyer looks for the new hand early. If the flyer's chest drops in the back, practice reverse bird. This duo found it easier when the base's toes cross a bit with each placement. The flyer moves two ways with each foot placement. The first is a side crunch, and the second is a twist. They're done simultaneously, both together now. Once more with feeling. Here's one more straight shot, so you can see the whole move. Thanks, Agnes. Thanks, Chris. Back to the beginning. This starts from side star. If you want to iron out your side stars so you can spin up some wonderful propellers, check out our other video here.